Hello everyone, thank you for coming. We are going to present our project in humanoid robots in industrial environments. We all seen videos like this, right? Robots dancing, kicking around, and doing crazy backflips, and sometimes even doing work. But what about it is real? What about it is just a very prepared demonstration? And what can a robot actually do in a factory? My name is Evan Ciso, I am the product owner. Patricio is the developer, Daniela, our Scrum Master, and our trainee.
Hello, I am Robotic, the trainee from China.
And a special thanks to the team of BSH for all the support. The main motivation of having a humanoid robot is it can be deployed, or is supposed to be able to be deployed, in an environment that is built for humans. It doesn't need big modifications as a traditional robot, or at least that's the promise. But we have some questions that I wanted to answer during the project. The first one is, can the robot actually work? Is it strong enough to do the task? Can it keep the balance while doing the task? Can it walk while doing the task? For how long can it work? Can it do it one time? Can it do it for the whole 8-hour shift? Can it work for 24 hours? How long does it take from the team, the developer team, from mapping the activity until it can actually work? And finally, is it safe? Will it hurt the other workers? Will it present more damage than the help it does?
Yeah. So what was the task? The task for the robot was to pick a tray like this, with parts in it, of course, from a conveyor belt, place it onto a roller cart. You can see it over here at our stand later. And as soon as he's stacked 36, he needs to push the roller cart into a buffer area for the logistics worker to pick it up, as you can see in the pictures.
Well, we have also brought you some examples of what we have been working during this project. We tried different approaches, as you can see here. This is working, but we tried teleoperation with VR headset. That's how we started. We had to develop and improvise our hands. And at the beginning, you can see we were trying something to wrap the trays properly, but it didn't work. So we had to then come to a solution, like design a 3D version and print them. And well, at the end, we also tried something called kinesthetic teaching. You can see also some more failures here, so maybe that's why they are talking. But yeah, kinesthetic teaching basically it's like train the robot to do some movements, and he records these movements and then replays them. So the intention is that having some good recordings of doing some things, so he can accomplish our project. And well, of course, if you think that if he can talk or he can speak, like he will sue us for sure. Well, here you can see some examples of our final results of the project. We want to invite you to come to our table and get to know more information about us and about our results of this project. Thanks for your attention.